What's the meaning of cistern? Cistern. Cistern.
Cistern. Cistern. A cistern is a tank or reservoir used to store water, typically for household or agricultural purposes. It can be made of different materials, such as concrete, metal, or plastic, and may have various shapes and sizes depending on its intended use. Cisterns are commonly found in areas with limited water supply or unreliable rainfall, where they can provide a valuable source of water for drinking, cooking, irrigation, and other needs. Proper maintenance and cleaning of cisterns are important to ensure the quality and safety of the stored water.